Hello, and welcome to today's Focus on the Test mini lesson. Welcome to all of our subscribers, and thank you very much for joining us. Also to our students, continue the excellent progress that you're making, and remember that your labor is not in vain. It will pay off in the end. If you're an adult seeking to earn your high school credential, be sure to check out our website at www.yourpathforadultlearners.com, where you can learn more about our online GED and Hiset program. So now on to our lesson for the day. So now here's what a test item may look like. Evaluate the expression using the value given. And here you have -3 plus x divided by 4 plus 2x, x equals 16. Here are your 5 options. You have option A, 17, B, 23, C, 33, D, 36, and E, 39. So now let's get on to the discussion. So now in order to solve this particular test item, you want to make sure that you are comfortable with performing division as well as multiplication. We do have our multiplication videos on our YouTube channel, so be sure to go through all of them and make sure that you are comfortable with performing multiplication so that you will also be comfortable with performing division as well. In addition, you want to make sure that you are familiar with the order of operations. So when we talk about the order of operations, we're talking about performing certain operations in a specific order. That means that whenever you have parentheses, you must perform those operations with inside of the parentheses first. Then you're going to move down to your exponents. Those come next. Then you'll move from left to right, performing any multiplication and division. Same holds true for your addition and subtraction. You're going to perform those from left to right as well. So you want to make sure that you are familiar with the order of operations. You can study this chart to become more familiar with the order of operations. So now let's get into the problem. Here we do have a parentheses, but we do not have any operations within this parentheses. We just have a number. It's a -3. So we're not going to do anything with that because we do not have an expression within inside of the parentheses. We do have division and multiplication. We have a variable here, which is the x variable. We do know that our x value is 16 because it has been given to us. So we're going to highlight this. So now we're going to use the value that's given to us, which means that we must take this value of 16, this numerical value, and insert it into our expression here. So wherever we see an x variable, we actually want to put 16 in place of it. Okay, so we're going to substitute our x value with 16, the numerical value. So let's do that. We're going to rewrite this expression, and we're going to have -3. You can keep it inside of the parentheses, or you can drop the parentheses at this point. We have 16. This is divided by 4. So we have an improper fraction here. Keep that in mind. Plus 2. Whenever you see a number and a variable next to it, it means to multiply. So you're going to have the 16 inside of the parentheses because you need to multiply. Okay? Usually it is indicated by parentheses or a dot. So you may see it also written as 216 to indicate that you need to multiply. I'm going to write it as 2 with 16 inside of the parentheses. But I do want to show you that you may also see it as 2 with a dot 16, which also means that you need to multiply. Both of these mean that you need to multiply. So let's get rid of this here. So now that you have rewritten your expression here, all we have to do now is move from left to right. However, we must first take care of our division and multiplication because they come before your addition and subtraction. So let's do that. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get rid of this improper fraction. Divide 4 into 16, which will give us a 4. And then when we multiply 2 times 16, that's going to give us 32. So now all we have to do is bring down our other values, which in this case would be -3. So now moving left to right, we have a -3 plus 4 will give us 1. So remember, you have a negative number plus 4, a positive number, that's going to give us a 1. You're going to always have the sign of the bigger number in this case, which will give us a positive 1 plus 32. And when we add the 2 together, that's going to give us 33. So now, having performed our operations, our answer is 33. And now we can come over here to our options and we see option C, in this case, is the correct choice when we evaluate the expression using the value given. If you are looking to earn your high school equivalency diploma, be sure to visit our website at www.yourpathforadultlearners.com. We are currently accepting applications. We teach our students how to become independent, self-sufficient learners in preparation for higher learning. Whether that higher learning takes place on the job, in college, vocational training, or wherever your career may take you.
Congratulations to our 2 seniors, Mrs. Billy and Ms. Asima, on passing your exams this quarter and having only 1 exam pending before earning your high school credential. Congratulations, ladies. Let's get ready for testing. Be sure to participate in our instructional giveaway where you can win I'm Rising by Michelle Stratford. I'm Rising is a self-love poetry that empowers you to find the inner strength to crawl, get up, walk, fly, just never give up. Powerful and inspirational self-love poems, poems, and mantras take the reader on an emotive journey of empowerment through life's triumphs and tribulations. This uplifting book is more than a mere collection of poetic musings. It serves as a powerful tool of self-love and personal transformation.
Here's a poem by Michelle Stratford. View of you. Take a pause, look around, and enjoy the view. Amazing things are transpiring right there inside of you.
To participate in our instructional giveaway, be sure to subscribe, share, like, and comment on our YouTube videos. You want to make sure that you take these actions on our YouTube channel only. Also, comment as much as you like. Each time you comment, your name will be entered into the drawing. Our entry dates run from March 20th through April 10th. The winner will be announced on April the 17th. Good luck.
So good luck testing. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification button down below so that you're notified on our new releases. Also, join us on our other social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.